Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a candy cake. Actually, this is my first time to make it and I cannot wait to see the outcome. And please keep watching until the end of my video and I will show you the outcome. So please keep watching. So I'm assembling right now all materials that I have it. I use the styrofoam and what else? I have a cardboard here and a lot of candies here also. And I use what do you call this? And I have a glue gun here that I will use it. And oh my gosh, I cannot wait. What do I call that? I cannot wait to show you the outcome of this candy cake. So I just make sure that secure everything here, and I'm gonna use a double-sided tape so it make easy to remove the candy. And so yeah, this is easy also rather than to use a glue gun for this kind of project. So I think it's better to use a double-sided tape. I'm almost done here, but I cannot wait to show you the outcome of this. So this one, actually this is my candy cake topper that I made it, and I use it for my. This is also a personalized cake topper that I made it from my Cricut. So yep, this is what I'm being using it right now. Let's see how it goes this one. Probably this one should be better. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. And you go. I'm gonna be almost done here. Yep. Then I'll just make secure everything here, and this is gonna be the final one. I'm gonna put this in the middle so it look better to look better. And but I'm gonna use it. I have two kinds of ribbon here, but I don't think so. This was not gonna be good. I think I'm gonna be this color, this one. Yes, I'm almost done here. Dun, 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 and I cannot wait. I'm being silly here right now, but I'm just excited, guys, because this is my first time, to do this kind of what do you call that, DIY candy cake. So I cannot wait also the outcome. But actually, I'm almost done here. So I'm gonna be put a ribbon right now. So they look cute also. Oh my goodness, this double-sided, it helps a lot for me. Yeah, I use a lot double-sided for my project, most especially also if I'm making also a card or something like that. I use a lot of double-sided tape. But I like double-sided tape anyway. Then there you go. This is gonna be my final one. Attach the ribbon, then I'm done. So I'm working right now for my ribbon. I'm gonna put this in the middle. Hope you guys should like it. And what do you think, guys? And hope you guys should like my video for today. And give me a thumbs up if you're first time here, if you like my video. And don't forget to subscribe and comment, like, and share.